Hi, we're here in the coniferous forest, which is very rich and dense. It's a nice habitat for many animals. One of the largest communal animal is going to be the elk. Elk are mammals that feed on grass, shrubs, tree bark, and twigs. Elks breed in the fall, which is around this time of year. The elk can run as fast as 40 miles per hour, and they can weigh up to 700 pounds. There are many insects, birds, and carnivorous animals. These apex predators include mountain lions, bobcats, and coyotes. Smaller mammals like rabbits, squirrels, skunks are food for other bigger animals in the food chain. They also help to keep the forest clean, and they have a lot of habitat. Birds are also a large part of the coniferous forest as well, from songbirds to birds of prey. One particular bird that is found here is going to be the wild turkey. Turkeys have excellent eyesight and hearing. They are very social birds. The male turkeys are very colorful, which help them attract mates. They can run up to 25 miles per hour. Wild turkeys eat berries, insects, and other small reptiles. There are also insects, which I didn't really mention, and butterflies, pollinators. But yeah, those are the animals.
So there are three very common trees that there is here on Snowball area in northern Arizona. Some of them are going to be the white fir, also known as the obby concholer, the big tooth maple, also known as the Acer grandentinum, and the aspen, which is also known as the Populus tremoludis. The white fir is also known as the obby concholer. It is a slow-growing tree with appearance of a pyramid shape that has a citrusy scent to it. This tree lives a long life, prefers more of a moisture area. Big tooth maple be here around the Flagstaff location and also down in Tucson or any real high elevation locations. With this tree, the leaves can change colors, and they do depending on the season. This tree does produce a fruit-paired winged seeds called samaras. With the big tooth maple, it also adapts to many different types of soils. For example, well-drained soil, sandy, clay, or even limestone. They're one of the more popular ones around here, along with the aspen trees, because of the color-changing leaves. Another tree, speaking of aspen, is going to be the aspen tree. It is a very fast-growing tree. It is native to northern Arizona specifically. Leaves on this tree are small, rounded, and have a glossy green with fine teeth along the ridge of the leaf. And they change to a bright golden yellow during the fall. They tend to shed more towards the winter and then will grow back in a quite dark but more of a medium forest green. The aspen reproduction mainly reproduces through a root support system, forming dense stands or clones so they can grow identically. The conditions for this tree thrives with sunlight, cooler temperatures. They are often found in open spaces or after a fire. A fun fact, most of the trees or plants that are found in northern Arizona to have cones on them in one shape or another.
The annual temperature in the mixed conifer forest ranges from -40°C, which is also -40 degrees in Fahrenheit, to 20°C, which is 68 degrees Fahrenheit. But that's in the winter. And then in the summer, it gets to 10°C, which is 50 degrees in Fahrenheit. Typically, these forests, the conifer forests, have very long winters and they're very cold. Most of the time it has snow, and snow lasts for a while. And then the summers don't get super hot, but they do get kind of like moist and humid. Annual precipitation often lies between 300 and 900 millimeters, which is 12 to 35 inches.